Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this red slash pink look right here. I don't know what else to call this look, but if you guys are interested on how I complete this look, then just keep on watching. So for the palette I'm going to be using is the Jaclynhill Volume 2, and I'm taking this red shadow called Living My Best. I'm just placing that all over the lid. It looks like to me it looks like a pink eyeshadow, but on the palette it looks like it's red. So the next shadow I'm going to be using is called Hurt On. I'm just packing that onto the outer corners, and if you guys hear like a noise in the background, ignore it, it's just my fan. So I didn't end up cutting the crease, but I just placed Empowered, and it's a burgundy shimmer, and just placing that all over the lids. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the complete look right here. I hope you guys really liked it. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video.